thank you for watching this video actually. So this is going to be a step-by-step video or step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your Watzon seller account. And then we're going to start first by showing you how to sign up, and then we'll also post the video, make a video for you on how to upload your products and other videos. Please always check our YouTube channels, and then you will see valuable videos that will help you navigate your seller profile and your seller account. So join me, just follow this step by step. I'm sure if you follow this video, you would understand. It would be very easy for you to navigate your seller account and upload your products and start making money. Okay, so just go to your browser. So here I am on my browser. I'm just going to type watzonsell.com. Okay, so here I am on my watzonsell.com website. Yeah, so I'm just going to click up here on the sign up button. So when you click on the sign up button, it's going to take you to your form. And please make sure your Gmail account, or you have a valid email account. Okay, if you have your company email account, it would help too, but then it's okay if you don't have that. Just create a valid Gmail or a valid or Yahoo mail account. Okay, so here's the registration form. It's simple and straight to the point. All right, so first of all, you just have to go here, you create your username. So here I'm going to be using, since it's a demo, I'm going to be using Watzon seller demo 1. So then for the email, I'm going to use the Watzon seller uni at gmail.com. Please remember that it has to be a valid email, because you'll be getting a verification code, okay, to this email. You would need to verify this email, alright? So please make sure it is very, very valid, very important, alright? So then I'll just go there and check for the email. It's not here yet, so let's just give it some time to come in. Yes. Okay, an email has been sent. So we'll give it some time to come in. Okay, here you are. You see here, you get the email. So you just copy your code. And then you paste your code here. So after pasting your code here, you verify. Alright, after pasting your code here, you verify. Oh, sorry. So let's go back. Then we go to the first name. I'm going to put my first name. I'm just going to put Watzon, right? Then last name, I'm going to put demo. Please put your real name. This is a store, right? This is my own. It's just a demo account I'm creating for you guys. Okay, so please put your real account, because if you don't do this, your account will not, your product will not be approved. Okay, so and your store will be unlisted. Okay, will be taken down. So please kindly put these details, as they are all important. All right, so we'll go to the store name. So my store name is Watzon demo 1. That's my store name. Put your real store name, guys. Please do not forget to put your real store name. So I'm going to just go ahead and put my password. Put a password you can remember, so you don't have to always use the forgot password thing, right? It's okay if you do that, but then always put a password that you remember. So after doing this, after filling all of these things, kindly click on the agree terms and conditions. Okay, then you click on register. So now you click on register. So let's give it time so your registration successfully completed. So it will redirect you. Okay guys, so it will redirect you. You can save if you want to. Let me just save it. It's best you save it, so you don't have to type every time you want to log in, right? And don't forget that you can also do this on your mobile app, but I always advise you do it on your browser, because it will help you. On the mobile app, you don't have this step-by-step, it doesn't take you through the step-by-step administration part. it teaches you the step by step what it's all about. But then on the app, it's just straight to the point. Okay, so I always advise that you use your browser for this. Then you can always use your app for other things, but then for your sign up, use your browser. I always advise. It's okay if you don't want to use this. You'll find our app on Play Store and on App Store, right? Just go there and type Watzon seller, and then you find it there. So let's continue. Okay, so please don't put restricted content. Do not forget to check our website also to see our list of restricted content, restricted products. Is really important, because if you put any product that is restricted on our site, we're going to take it down. So please take your time and read through the website and check out our list of restricted products. So let's go. So it says, welcome to Watzon. Thank you for choosing Watzon. This is a quick setup wizard. Okay, it will help you to configure the basic setting, and you have your store ready in no time. So but if you don't want to go through the wizard right now, you can skip and return to your dashboard. Okay, but I always advise that you go through it if you have the time. So it means that take your time and set up your account. Okay, so let's go. Important, guys. Okay, so it's taking us to the setup place. So the first thing is, it's going to ask you to put your store logo. Okay, you put your store logo, you put your store banners. Guys, try as much as you can to create a logo for yourself. You can create a logo for yourself on free Canva. Just set up an account on Canva and then create a very simple logo. There are other websites you can find online for a free logo creation. Okay, so please try and create your own store logo. Okay, and also create a banner. You can also do this using this banner size. All right, he already gave you a banner size, so you can do this without spending any money. And then yes, you can also try and put money, invest in it and create this. It won't be bad also. So let's go to the store phone number. Kindly put your store phone number here. So just put whatever it sees you think you need, blah blah. All right, these are demo numbers. Okay, so but just go ahead and put the right one. You can go ahead and put this information, your store address, your city, your town, blah 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 blah. Please put this, it's important. Okay, so we continue. I'm not going to put all of this profile because this is my own event. This is a demo profile I told you earlier, so I'm just taking you through the step by step. Put all of these information you need. Now put your preferred payment method. Would you like to be paid to your wallet, or you like to be paid through bank transfer? So if you like to pay to your wallet, we can, Watzon pays you direct into your Watzon wallet, which you can withdraw or use for shopping or whatever. But then you can also take your money to your bank transfer directly to your bank account. So here you have to put your bank name, you put your bank account number here, your account name, which is your name here. You put your name, your bank account, and then here you put the name of your bank, the bank address, the routing number, the IBAN number. If you have all of this information, so you can just check them online. You see your bank routing number and all of these details. So then you click on, you do this part of it. Make sure it is correct, because if you put an incorrect details, that's where your money is going to be paid to. Okay, so for your policy, if you have a policy, you can put it. I always advise you can Google, create one. It's easy. Your cancellation and your return policy, put it here. If you have any, your refund policy, put it here. Your shipping policy, put it here. And also put all of your privacy policies and the rest of them. So then we move on to the next stage. So the next stage is the customer support. So put your phone number here so we can always reach out to you. Okay, then you put your address here, and then you choose your country. I'm sure you're either signing up from Cameroon or from the United Arab Emirates. So put these details, put your postal code, and then you move on to the next stage. So for here, you can put in your store name as your SEO title. Why you have to do this is because it will give you a better it will give you a wider visibility. Okay, when you put your store and then you put what your store stands for, when people are searching for this thing, let's say your store name is Watzon Demo. Okay, now I put Watzon Demo, then Watzon Demo cream or beauty store. Yeah, I put the same thing. So when people go and they search for beauty store in Cameroon, you might likely pop up. Okay, so it would help you too. You can put your Facebook details here, also put your Twitter details, and if you have any of them, kindly put this information as they will also help you. But if you don't have this at the moment, you can skip this step and take your time, get all of this information, and always come back and put it. So for this also, your Twitter, your Facebook, Instagram pages, you can put all of this. Okay, you can create, you don't have to put all of it. You can just pick the ones you have, maybe Facebook, Instagram, your YouTube, and maybe Snapchat, Pinterest. Just put whatever it is you have, and then you move on to the next stage. Okay, so it says we are done, your store is ready. It is time to experience the things more easily and peacefully. Add your product and start counting sales. Have fun. So guys, okay, so at this point you're done with your setup, so now you just go to your dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard. Okay, now so this is your dashboard. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, welcome to Watzon dashboard. It's going to tell you welcome to whatever it is, whatever your store name is. That's what it's going to display here. So this is just what your dashboard looks like. Easy and very easy to navigate. Okay, so here the media, here you can find every product or every picture you upload, picture, videos, and all of those stuff. You find them here. You can delete them from here. You can add also from here. Okay, you can bulk delete and all of that. Then let's move to articles. So your blog, you can find blog posts over there. Okay, so there you have articles. This is where you put your product. We'll skip that for now and come back there when you want to add the product. So here you click on orders. So when you have orders, when you start getting your orders, this is where you find the orders. So you click on orders and then you see your inventory and what your inventory looks like. When you have any order, you see the order, quantity, the billing address, the shipping address, the gross sales, your gross sales rather, your gross sales amount, you see it here, your admin fee, Watzon fee, you see it here, admin fee amount, you see it here, additional info, whatever it is, you see it here, the date and the dates, and then the actions, you see everything here. So the actions will be probably completed, processing, on hold, whatever it is, you see all of those informations here. And then you can always download, you can download it as a CSV file into your laptop or your mobile phone as a PDF. You can print it and keep it or whatever. You can do all of these things here. So now let's go to the payment section. So here you have the payment, your payment, here you have your invoice ID, your order IDs, the commissions IDs, everything. You have them here, the amount, charges, payments, the payment mode, notes, and the date. So you see all of this information right here. So when you start using your account, you get all of this information right here. Okay, so here you can create coupons for your product. Okay, so you just need to come to coupons, you create your coupons and then add them to your product. So here you can add new coupon and create a coupon for your store. Like if you want to have a 10% discount, 20% discount, buy one get one free, and all of those stuff, you can do all of those things here. We're going to put out a detailed video on how you can set this up and how it works. Okay, so always check our YouTube channel for these videos. Always check our pages for videos on how to navigate your seller dashboard. So we're going to move to the next stage, which is the refund stage. So when you have a refund, or when a customer initiates a refund, you get the information here. So if a customer initiates a refund, you see the request ID and you see the order ID. You know which customer, which product, or whatever it is, the amount, okay, and then the type, the reason, you see it here, and the date the refund request was initiated. You see all of it here, okay. So add to my store. Let's see, you can add products from here to your store. All right. So for this add to my store, now you don't have to, if you sell the same product as this person, as this seller, you don't have to you don't have to duplicate it. Like, you don't have to go and add new product and get all the information. No, you don't have to do that. You just click on the product, okay. You just click on the item which you also sell, and then let's start with this one. So you can add this product to your store, and then please do not forget to edit it, because if you don't edit it, it will still on the home page, it will still show as this vendor's product, okay. So after you've added this to your store, you can go back to products and edit it from the store, okay. You can edit the price, you can edit the title if you want. It just makes it easier for you. You don't have to start all over again. You can see it here. You can see that this has been added to your store. So all you just need to do is you click here, right, and then you edit. So when you edit this, you edit the store name, you edit your prices if you want. You can then, okay, so we're just going to edit. Okay, great. So you come here, you can edit the prices, okay. Then you can edit your descriptions also. You can even edit the title if you want. You can edit the categories and the shipping time. You can edit your shipping time. You can edit your product policy. You can edit anything you really want to edit, okay. And then you submit for review. So your product will be checked by Watzon seller admins, and then approve the product if you're qualified for approval, and then rejected if your product is not qualified for approval, okay. So that's it about that. Then let's go back to the settings. So you go to settings. You can also check most of these things on your app, but it's always, just like I said earlier, it's best to use your browser, for this stage, right? But then you can always follow up on the mobile app. Don't forget to download the mobile app on Play Store and App Store. Okay, so let's go back to the setting. Here you can always fix, remember from the beginning where we had the step by step on how to set up your store. You can always come back here and edit these things, these information, okay. Then put your payment, your SEO, store policy, all of these things, customer support, and your store hours. So make sure your store rating is at least 80%, okay. Make sure it's at least 80%. It will give you a better visibility on the homepage if you have a good store rate. So that's that about that. So we're going to move to reports. So here you just see like a breakdown of everything you've done. Okay, so that's just it basically. So you see your gross sales. You can check from last month, from last year, from last 2 years, and all of that. You just check the details. You see how much you've made, your gross sales. You see how much admin fees. You see the paid fees. You see your refunds. You see how many orders you're taking, how many items have been purchased, orders placed, total refund, and everything. You get every information here. You can always print it out too. You can print your report out too. Sales by date. You check your out of stock items also. You can check here to check the items that your products that are out of stock or nearly out of stock, so you can check here and keep up with your inventory from this report page. So then the last part is the review part. So for reviews, you come here and then you see reviews. You see a lot of reviews people have given to you, from customers and all of that. So then you can just publish the reviews from here. So you see product reviews and everything, store reviews, product reviews over here. You get all of those data from this part of your dashboard. So we'll be posting another video on how you can upload a product from Watzon using your dashboard. Okay, thank you for watching.